Hi friends, how are you? Let's make a paper heart. It's really easy. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first we'll have a square paper. Okay, square paper and make triangles. See this corner to the top, and then we put together. Right. And then fold again. Make sure these corners are together. Okay. Then we are going to open. You see these lines in the center here, and I'm going to bring the upper corner to here. And the lower corner to the top. This one goes to the very top. Okay. Now you got like this. And you see this line. And you see this side. Bring this side up. And the line to the center line, like this. We do the same on the other side. Bring up this side to the center line. We're almost there. Do you see? Yeah. Now we are going to turn it over. And then see this top? We are going to bend to here. We do the same on the other side. This side, the corner. We're gonna fold them in on the other side. We do the same thing. Okay. Let's turn it over. Now you got your heart. All right. Did you have fun? See you next time.